There are also several types of wire including Romex Bx Cable, MC Cable, and UF Cable. Romex wiring is commonly used in residential wiring. Romex has plastic insulation around the conductor. Romex is also called NM wire in the field. Bx cable wire is another common type of wire. Bx cable has a metallic sheathing around the conductor. Bx cable is used to connect garbage disposals or equipment that vibrates a lot. MC cable is another type of wire with a metal insulation. MC stands for metal clad. The metal insulation is resistant to corrosion. The metal will not rust in damp and wet places. UF cable stands for underground feeder cables. They are sunlight and moisture resistant. UF cables are great for burying underground or using outside. In this module, you learned what a wire is and how to select the correct wire size. You also learned about common types of wiring like Romex, Bx cable, and MC cable.